Welcome to this week's Journal of Supply Chain Weekly Bulletin. From India-UK trade ties and booming port growth to key infrastructure moves and freight sector updates. Here are the top 10 headlines that made waves last week. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has hailed the inauguration of India's first green hydrogen plant in the port sector. Established at Kandla, the move marks a significant milestone in the country's push for clean energy and port sustainability. India has taken another step towards self-reliant logistics as the first consignment of Amul ghee is exported to Sharjah. The development underlines growing domestic supply chain efficiency and the expanding reach of Indian dairy products overseas. US President Donald Trump's proposed tariffs on Indian goods are raising concerns in diplomatic circles. Analysts says the move could test the trust underpinning the India-US strategic partnership more than the actual trade figures. In a major infrastructure push, Vadhavan Port will soon be directly connected to the Samruddhi Expressway. The new link is expected to significantly boost freight movement and reduce travel time across Maharashtra. Global logistic giant DP World has launched a new dedicated rail link between Gujarat and Kolkata. The corridor is set to enhance cargo efficiency and reduce transit time for eastern and western freight routes. According to ASL, India aims to raise its share of global manufacturing trade to 3% within the next 5 years. The forecast reflects policy-driven efforts to transform India into a global production hub. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi is set to visit China for the upcoming Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit. This marks his first trip to the country since the Galwan border clash, signaling a potential thaw in bilateral relations. Anantnag has become the first railway station in Kashmir to handle freight operations. The milestone is expected to open up new economic avenues for the region and improve logistic connectivity. A growing battle of narratives around India's defense procurement has emerged on social media, prompting concerns over transparency and the influence of unofficial campaign on decision-making processes. Toyota has renewed its strategic partnership with Kamarajar Port for the export of vehicles. The agreement reinforces the port's position as a key automotive hub on India's eastern coastline. That's a wrap on this week's top logistic and supply chain stories. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more weekly insights. Got thoughts or stories we should cover? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed, stay ahead.